Oh, these are cool. Halloween. Bunch of dragons. Florida man. What is this?
I used to sell online and I just stopped.
I have an eBay store.
The problem is they suck the life out of you. So all this, let's see.
Stuffed animals. All these stuffed animals.
Hey, Rod.
Good morning. How are you?
Oh my God. It is insane. The jewelry ladies were here. That's the problem with saying you have jewelry. The gold lady was here, but you know, 180 bucks later, score.
Can't beat that.
Yeah, the second we opened the door at like 6:45.
Oh, I'm sure they're all lined up.
Insanity.
This is cool.
He doesn't work.
He doesn't work.
Somebody who can, you can have him. Or you can
Yeah. Why do you have so many watches?
My daughter's roommate is a reseller, and now she's into watches, so she orders all this stuff off eBay.
Gotcha.
And that's all her rejects there, that's the costume jewelry that she
Okay.
repurpose her stuff. She makes a killing at the market for selling
Gotcha.
the watches. So, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you?
Good. Surviving.
Aren't we all?
I'm saving these for you for free for you.
Oh.
My favorite whatnot seller.
Thank you. You have to do that. Appreciate that. Oh, these are cool. Halloween. My wife is gonna steal these from me.
Well, since I got it, and I'm like, I really shouldn't use this.
How much are your DVDs?
Quarter.
Oh man.
There's a ton of, but they're newer horror.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy them. Jordan mag. How much are your magazines?
Oh, you can. How about $2 for the whole stack?
Deal. No, these are cool. Can I make a pile?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, running out of hands. Thank you, thank you. Anytime I come across cheap horror movies at garage sales, I always pick them up. I sell them in giant lots on eBay, and they do really well. We should get about 30 or 40 bucks for this lot of DVDs. Who's the horror movie fan? Is that you?
No, well, actually, yeah. But I watched the 80s ones. Those are
okay.
all older. Yeah, I watched the really cheesy 80s ones.
That's it's the cheesier the better. Cool. Other side. Oh man, such a collection of movies. Take all these.
You got
I'll take all these ones. Let me grab this. All right. Just add this to the pile.
Oh, this is broke.
Oh, it's broke? Oh, okay. I'll put it back then. Is it 5?
Yeah.
Because you also have $1.50 on there. So you might want to take one of the tags off.
Okay. It's $1.50.
Oh, is it? Okay. I was going to say you might want to change it out if it's not. Pearl snap. Pearl snap for $1. What's that? I don't know what that is, bud. Do you have video game stuff? I see a video game case.
No, not this time. I already have a lady coming for those 3 things.
Okay. This Transformer cook tray? That's cool. See how much that was?
$1.
$1. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Okay, return the favor. You guys always shopping with me. Now it's time for me to shop with you guys. All right. What's my damage?
27.
27? All right. I actually have exact change.
Perfect. Thank you.
All right, perfect.
Thanks, Rod. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too. Good luck in your sale. American tourism. Interesting. 1875. What is this? Port John Cena. Excuse me, ma'am. How much is that bag?
How much for that?
Yes, it was on the outside there.
$1.
$1. Okay. It's cool.
A purse?
No, it's a.
Come on, man.
How you doing today, man?
I'm good.
You got a lot less stuff than previous times.
Yeah,
Be
we're
clearing
good.
stuff out, huh?
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, we really need to thin out because the beach house got destroyed. So
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man.
everything's coming out of it.
I don't know where the hell you're hiding all your goods.
At my house, that's where.
That paper here? For you. Thank you.
No watch,
No watches today. Thank you, sir. Good morning. Good. How are you? Bunch of dragons.
Yeah,
What's all this from?
3D printer.
Oh, 3D printer. That's awesome. What else you make?
Anything.
Anything?
Like it, yeah. Anything that'll fit in the frame.
That's cool, man. How long does this take you to make these?
These hats right here take about 4.5 hours.
Oh, wow.
These dragons take about 4 hours. Some of this little stuff usually probably only takes about an hour, but I usually try to put multiple on a plate.
Oh my gosh. My wife saw that, she'd lose her mind.
Yeah.
That's cool, man. Great work. They look great.
Appreciate it.
Good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, good. What's this? Free? What is? It's got to be the funniest cup ever. I know. I look through this thing. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh my gosh, you're wearing a Wu-Tang shirt. That's awesome. Rolling Stones. Can't pass those up. Bobblehead. Oh my god, he's chasing an alligator. Florida man. Oh yeah. What's this blanket?
I think it's a cheeseburger. Oh, no.
Oh no, Bible verse.
Yeah.
Okay. Close enough. We'll just. I'll get this stuff here.
All right. So $9?
$9.
I don't have a bag. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I'll stick it in the purse. Do you have $1 by any chance?
I do.
Okay.
1 second here.
All right.
about asked about the other one you sent. I said, oh, I'll talk to you in February.
What is this? Can I see this?
Yeah, I'm selling the whole bag.
What do you send the bag for?
$10. It's for all the
Are these all for your, like your coach purses and stuff like that?
and other stuff. There's Brahmins and they're all authentic. I just didn't have enough of a lot of them. So there's Brahmin in there. They're all authentic. These are like the Brahmin tags. This goes all together with that. And there's also some fossil and stuff.
Okay. Yeah, I like the coach tag and stuff. I'll give you $10 for it.
Yeah, you can sell them. You can sell the lot for probably $50. And you got this thing. These are really hard to find. These little monkey things from the Kiplings.
Yeah, yeah.
It's an older one. Oh, you want it off? I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. Let me learn.
Okay.
What do you have in your watches and stuff?
I don't know. It depends. What are you looking for?
Think
What did I tell you? How much did I say? How much would I say? Oh, no, wait. You, 10. You, I didn't even
Yeah,
tell you.
10, yes.
I'm losing my mind. Losing it. 10 for that. Here you go. There.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
For like the Citizen watches.
How much this?
Those are the Alex and Andy. There's one I wanted to keep, which was the hang on, there was a Kentucky Derby one I wanted to keep. There's one I wanted to keep in here. Just a second.
No, it's
I
okay.
meant to take
Oh,
it
was
away.
that? I'm sorry. Was that
No,
yours?
I'm sorry.
No.
For these three, I'll do $5.
And this?
5. That's sterling silver. It says 925 on it. So that's 10. That's a Brighton.
And this one?
That's not sterling silver, but that won't tarnish. 5. So that would be 15 for all three. I don't know. Make me an offer on the watches. What do you think?
Do they work? Do you know? Or
You know what? They probably do with batteries. I'll be honest with you. I
Okay.
just haven't. I know this one does because if you put the tag in it, it'll work. I wore it just recently. I actually just a Rolex. So actually, my
nice.
dad did
Oh, okay.
for me. An old one, 1960, old vintage.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's an old one. An
Oh,
old baby
that's-
with the old.
It looks beautiful though.
I love the old ones.
yeah.
But this was my favorite one because it's like waterproof and water resistance. Okay. What do we say? 15?
No, I don't like. I don't. 10 for both.
Okay. Put it in there.
Okay.
There you go. So I owe you $10. Oh gosh. Now that's cute. That's a what do you call it? That's a take it off. This is a name brand. This is Lily Pulitzer. That's very expensive. It's a good brand. Have you heard of Lily Pulitzer? You probably haven't, but it's a good brand.
They make good stuff.
This is Lily Pulitzer too.
It's too big. I don't
Yeah.
like the big stuff.
No, I don't either. Well, because you're tiny like me, you have small.
What were you asking for these ones here?
That's a DY. You know that, right?
Yes.
There's another one that's somewhere around here unless someone stole it. The cross.
This cross right here.
Yep.
Is that one silver?
It's got the markings. I don't know if it is or not.
Yeah.
But you want to use this to look at it close up? There you go.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah, it's got a little scratch on it, but it'll work. All right, nobody take anything. We'll trust you guys, please. Promise me.
We're not gonna-
Dad!
Were you passing on that one there?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Too big.
Yeah.
That one do have it. Some of them have it and some of them don't.
Ma'am, how much? What are you looking for that stuff there?
This is very
There you
expensive,
go.
That
so
one. That's the only one that.
hang on. I don't know. You're gonna have to. None of these.
No, ma'am.
That's a Brighton. I have the box for this somewhere. So all this, let's say 60. Yeah, I don't know. Are you selling it? Is that what you're trying to do? Resell?
Yeah, I do reselling. So
Let me see if I. No, maybe I don't. I thought I had the box to that. How's about if we do 60 and I throw in this beautiful Brighton, which you could probably get 60 for that.
I'll do 60.
Is that a deal?
I don't know what I'm buying. I'm trying to start dabbling in jewelry.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
like I just know, all I know is like when you get costume jewelry stuff that has name brands on it. So I'll try it.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Yes.
The Brighton. And
Here.
actually, let me get here. Here's a little Brighton bag.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
No
I
problem.
appreciate you.
And you
ma'am.
know what? I have another bag that this is Brighton. Now, you know, you can clean this stuff up
Yeah,
with
yeah.
white toothpaste. Works great. All right, let me get you.
Thank you
Hang
so
on,
much.
and I'll get
Yeah.
you a little bag.
Now I'm gonna negotiate because you gave me a really good deal on these.
Yeah, I did actually.
So
I used to sell online, and I just stopped. I just
we're on eBay. Yeah, I have an eBay store.
The
so
problem is they suck the life out of you. $10 for everything.
Sounds good.
Okay. What a deal.
what do you have on the Florida State watch?
$1.
$1? I'll give you $1. For that. It's for the necklace.
Oh, okay. You know what? Someone almost bought that. Cool.
Any idea if it works?
Excuse me.
I do not know. I bought it years ago. It could. It's a Kate Spade, but it's got the people's
Would you
name.
take
Oh.
a quarter for it?
Would I take what?
A quarter for it?
No.
Well, I mean, if it doesn't work, it's garbage, and the only way to find out is to open it up and pray there's no corrosion.
You can twist it open and look inside. Go ahead. If you have a little.
Yeah, I don't think I
Uh.
can. And the band is on backwards, which is weird.
What's the story on this?
It's not sterling. It's just a water pitcher. It's an old water pitcher. I think you see them. I see them all the time on eBay.
Yeah.
I think they go for like $30. Yeah, it's pewter.
And then the bottom's cut off.
Yeah, it's a cool little piece.
Or press.
$5.
What do you want for it?
I would go.
Thank you.
One of the biggest things I want to start doing this year is starting to learn about jewelry. I come across jewelry at a lot of yard sales, from costume jewelry to silver to gold, but it's not something that I know a lot about, so I'm trying to really educate myself. I'm trying to dabble in it. Custom jewelry, bracelets, I'll probably get anywhere from like 25 to 30 bucks for, which is good. The purse tags there was Michael Kors, there was Coach, there was, I can't remember, there are a couple other ones that were in there. Fossil, some other ones, but those little pieces go anywhere from like 10, 15, 20 to only like 40 bucks a piece. I'm probably going to make 150 to 200 bucks off that little bag I bought, which is great. You saw me buy that necklace at the very end for 40 bucks. That is David Yurman necklace, but when I got home, I looked it up. All the David Yurmans I see have a 925 on it for silver. This one does have the David Yurman little tag on the side of it, but it doesn't say 925 on it, so I don't know if it's silver or not. I got to do a little bit more digging on that. The heart necklace I did buy was 925 sterling silver, which is good, so I got that for a couple bucks. Overall, I'm really happy with my purchase. Did really well on this yard sale. Even if I made a mistake, hey, this is how we learn. One of the best things about reselling is when you just jump in and you try to learn on the go. This is what I'm doing at this yard sale. I know enough to get myself in trouble, but so if you guys have any tips about jewelry, please let me know in the comments down below here. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please come check me out on Whatnot. I'm going to be live this weekend on Sunday night, I think at 7:40 Eastern Standard Time for about 20 minutes. I'm part of a raid train with the Philly Flipper, so come check that out. And until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.